7 healthy omelette recipes to help you lose weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Omelettes are an amazing dish that can be a wonderful addition to your weight loss journey. We've put together a selection of dishes that not only taste fantastic, but also support your weight loss goals. By adding these recipes to your meal plan, you can enjoy tasty and satisfying omelettes while making progress on your weight loss journey. Get ready to indulge in these nutrient-packed omelette recipes that will keep you content and on track towards a healthier lifestyle. Number 1. Ham spinach eggs, 200 calories. This ham spinach egg omelette is a nutritious and low-calorie option, providing a satisfying meal with only 200 calories. Packed with protein-rich eggs, lean ham, and nutrient-dense spinach, this omelette offers a balance of essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, while spinach adds fiber and array of vitamins and minerals. Enjoy a delicious plate of ham spinach egg omelette that not only satisfies your hunger, but also nourishes your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 large eggs, 2 slices of lean ham diced, 1 cup fresh spinach lids, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon olive oil. And here are the instructions for making a ham spinach eggs. Number 2. Hash brown omelette recipe, 280 calories. This hash brown omelette is a delicious and nutritious option, providing satisfying meal with only 280 calories, packed with crispy hash browns, fluffy eggs, and a medley of vegetables. This omelette offers a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and essential nutrients. The hash browns add a delightful crunch, while the eggs provide a rich source of protein. Enjoy a flavorful and filling hash brown omelette that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also nourishes your body with the wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 medium-sized potato grated, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup diced onion, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon olive oil. And here are the instructions for making a hash brown omelette recipe. Number 3. Zucchini onion omelette, 250 calories. This zucchini and onion omelette is a nutritious and low-calorie option, providing a flavorful meal with just 250 calories. Packed with fresh zucchini, onions, and protein-rich eggs, this omelette offers a balance of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Zucchini adds a refreshing crunch and is rich in antioxidants, while onions enhance the flavor profile and provide various health benefits. Enjoy a delicious and satisfying zucchini and onion omelette that not only nourishes your body, but also supports your overall well-being. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 small zucchini thinly sliced, 1/4 cup diced onion, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon olive oil. And here are the instructions for making a zucchini onion omelette. Number 4. Sweet omelette recipe, 370 calories. The sweet omelette recipe is a unique and flavorful option, providing satisfying meal with 370 calories, made with eggs and a touch of sweetness. This omelette offers a delightful twist on the traditional savory version. It's a great way to enjoy a sweet and protein-rich breakfast or snack. The addition of natural sweeteners on top adds a burst of flavor without excessive calories. Enjoy a delicious sweet omelette that not only satisfies your cravings, but also provides essential nutrients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, fresh fruit such as berries, sliced bananas, or diced apples, chopped nuts or seeds. Optional toppings: Greek yogurt, cinnamon, or a drizzle of honey for extra flavor. And here are the instructions for making a sweet omelet recipe. Number 5. Egg muffins, 100 calories. These egg muffins are a nutritious and low-calorie option, providing satisfying meal with just 100 calories per muffin. These individual-sized omelet cups are packed with protein-rich eggs and can be customized with various vegetables, herbs, and spices. Egg muffins are a convenient and portable option for a quick and healthy breakfast or snack. They can be prepared in advance and enjoyed throughout the week. With their low-calorie content and high-protein content, egg muffins are a great choice for weight management and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 6 large eggs, 1/2 cup diced vegetables, salt and pepper to taste, optional add-ins. And here are the instructions for making an egg muffins. Number 6. Tuna omelet, 320 calories. This tuna omelet is a nutritious and flavorful option, providing a satisfying meal with 320 calories, packed with protein-rich tuna and eggs. This omelet offers a balance of essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Tuna is a great source of lean protein, and it's known for its heart-healthy benefits. Enjoy a delicious tuna omelet that not only satisfies your hunger, but also provides your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 small can of tuna drained, 1/4 cup diced onion, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon olive oil. And here are the instructions for making a tuna omelet. Number 7. Green omelet, 220 calories. This green omelet is a nutritious and low-calorie option, providing satisfying meal with only 220 calories, packed with vibrant green vegetables such as spinach and herbs. This omelet offers a burst of flavor and essential nutrients. Green vegetables are known for their high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which contribute to overall health and well-being. Enjoy a delicious and nutritious green omelet that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also supports your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 cup fresh spinach leaves, 1/4 cup chopped fresh herbs, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon olive oil. And that concludes our list of 7 healthy omelet recipes to help you lose weight. Do you happen to know any healthy omelet recipes for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!